Hello everyone. In this exercise of the short SolidWorks, we will understand the comparison of the band lofted bands and the formed loft bands. We will compare two types of the bands in the sheet metal. Let's start. File, new, part, and OK. This is the SolidWorks user interface, and I am selecting the background plain white, and the unit system is a millimeter gram second. So first we create in the lofted bands in the sheet metal, and now it is inactive. Firstly we will make a two sketch. I am taking the top plane, this one. First draw the right triangle, center rectangle, division 130, and this is the 80. Okay, for in the sheet metal the rule is that in order to create any type of the flange, the contour or the sketch should be open. So I am drawing this line, center line, this one. I am taking the offset of this line. This offset I am taking 0.50 only. 0.50 reverse direction, bi-direction, both direction, and the total 1 mm. Total 1 mm. This one. Now select this line, shift this line, construction line. Now it is construction. Select the trim, select trim and power trim. Press the left mouse button, just drag. Press left mouse button, drag, hold. This way you can trim. The sketch is fully defined. This I will. And fillet is essential. This one I am taking 10 mm fillet corner. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now I am taking the plane, future plane, this one. Select the top plane, this one, and distance I am taking 100 mm. I am creating the plane at a distance of 100 mm in order to make another sketch. Select this plane, sketch. I am making the rectangle, circle, this one. Both the sketches should be similar or dissimilar. In both cases we can apply lofted band in the sheet metal. Okay, so sketch, I am taking the dimension 60 mm. Okay, in the same way I have to open it. At the end it should be open. So what I will do, previous sketch is visible. Shift this, select it and convert entity. Okay, now it is converted. Now again select it, select this one, construction. Now it is construction. Again go in the trim, power trim, press left mouse button and hold and drag. Press left mouse button, hold, drag, this one. The sketch is fully defined. Now we have the select it, right click, select it, hide it. Now we have the two sketches in this way. First we will discuss the band, loft band. For this sheet metal, now the loft band is active. This left band, select the first I am select the, there are the two types of the bands, band and formed. In loft band there are the two types, two options, band and form. First I will discuss this one. Okay. If you press this one, there is no material applied to the part. Okay, of course we have not applied any material in this case. This one, select this point and respectively this point. This is the band form. This is the band form. Now there are the four options. Faceting option. Facet value is 5. Suppose you take it 1 mm. There are the four options: faceting, chord tolerance, number of bands, segment length, segment angle. First I will discuss. As you in the picture you can see the chord tolerance. Chord tolerance means this arc length, arc and this straight line chord. This is between the distance, that is the chord tolerance. I will show you. Select this one, this one, this one. Okay. Now you are seeing thickness in the bottom. If you will move, thickness is the sheet 2 mm and the radius 2 mm. If you want to take the reverse direction, this one. And from where you can reverse the direction. I am taking thickness inside. Okay, K factor 0.5. First is the chord tolerance. Chord tolerance. If you see from the top, you will see the gap between this circle and this chord, this straight line. If I take chord tolerance 1 mm, suppose this distance reduces. If I take suppose 2 mm facet value, the distance between this circle, this arc and this is straight chord, which is the chord, it is increases. Suppose I take 3 mm. This distance between this arc, this circular part and the straight part, which is chord, that is increases. This is the chord tolerance. Number of bands. Suppose you take the 5. You see there are the 5 bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, number of bands. Suppose you want to increase the 7. This one. You will see the 7 bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are the 7 bands. Segment length. What is the segment length? This one, segment length. Suppose top view, you can say segment length. Segment length is what? Suppose you take this one. I take isometric. This. Segment length is this length, which is the straight portion. You are seeing there is a arc, there is a circle arc, and this is the straight line. So this is the chord length, segment length. This is known as the segment length. Segment length, this is the arc of the circle, and this is the straight line. This is known as the segment length. Segment angle, now you can come. Segment angle. Segment angle means the angle between the two bend faces. Suppose I take top. Segment, this face and this face. You are seeing the faces. Angle, suppose IAO increases. This one. Angle between two band faces. This is known as the segment angle. Okay. Actually, this is lofted band is used in order to control the bands and different parameters also. So in this way we can use this one. You can also edit. If there are the 4 pink points. Bands are not, you are not seeing on the straight portion, you are seeing on the radius portions only. You are seeing the 4 points. You can control the bands on individual points. Suppose I click this pink point, the same facet option appears here. You can individually control this option from here and tick, and this way you can control there. So in this way, in the band lofted band, we control the lofted band, which are the simple parts. In case of the simple parts, okay, I am okay. This one, this one. If I flatten it, you are seeing top view, left view, right, left, this one, front view, this one, this. You are seeing this is not a exactly circular. These are the bands. These are the bands position. This one, and in this way you can make this one. But in this case, you can't make another form band because there is no option. So for which we will have to cancel this band. This cancel, and now we will apply another band, lofted band. Sketch is same, lofted bands. Now I am using formed band. This is, in this case, sheet thickness is 2 mm, and I am selecting this point and respectively same point. This one. This is. Now you are seeing sheet is going out. You can reverse the direction. This one. I am taking the reverse. This one. You can control from here. This one and this one. You are seeing this one. So this is very clear, and this type of the band is used for the complex part. The system controls the bands. System controls the parameters. This you are seeing, this is a very smooth band and clear bands. If I flatten it, this one, in this way you can front this. You are seeing very circular portion. In this way you can make the you can save this file in the DXF. For right click, export to DXF, part 1 name, save, part okay. This you can give the another name, 1 2, suppose you can give. You can save the file in DXF format for AutoCAD, for CNC cutting machines, for cutting and then make the loft bands. And this one, you select the left-handed side, select the sheet metal. There, the whatever parameter you require, the hidden edges, band lines. You can select boundary box. There is no forming tool. In this way, you can even select the origin also. This one, this is origin, but I am not selecting this one. Clear selection, clear. You can clear the selection. This one. And okay. This one you can save. So in this way you can save the file. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share more, and you please subscribe this channel to grow up to a great extent. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.